How to turn off private relay on iPhone. The first thing is to go ahead and tap on the setting icon on your device. It comes out like this. Then go ahead and tap on your Apple account or your Apple ID. Tap on it, toggle it on. Once tap on it like this, then you scroll up a bit until you see iCloud. Tap on it. Once tap on iCloud, then you have to scroll up a bit. So under Get More with iCloud Plus, so you have private relay, protect browsing on public network. So tap on it to toggle it on. Don't worry, you will not be able to do that because you are not on iCloud Plus. So before you can toggle on or off private relay on your device, you must be an iCloud Plus subscriber. So to do that, if you want to, just tap on upgrade to iCloud Plus. And once tap on that, it comes out like this. So it means you're going to pay for subscription here. So this is just a simple process on how to turn on and off private relay on iPhone. If you like this tip and if you don't subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.